Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to share a budget keto grocery haul, give you all ideas of foods to pop onto a low carb friendly grocery shopping list. And as always, I've written a blog post which I'll leave down below, which has the full list, all the recipes I mention along the way, meal ideas, everything will be in the blog post down below, so click through for that. And be sure to leave a like, subscribe for more videos, comment too, let me know what's your favorite budget-friendly keto food. So I'm going to start on the side here with a free-range whole chicken. There are so many budget-friendly meals you can make with chicken. You can make the yogurt chicken I shared a while back. You could just roast it whole and then you've got leftovers for days as well. You could roast a couple of chickens. It's super budget-friendly. This whole chicken was €4.39 and it's free range as well, and it's just a fun, good quality and lovely and budget friendly. And cheese. Lately I've been making cheesy fried eggs for breakfast just about every single day, and cheese is just beautiful and budget friendly. And I've only got this one cheese out here, but in my fridge I've also got Parmesan and Brie, and whenever I see anything that's on special I get that as well, to including meals and all kinds of yum low carb keto friendly ways. And nuts, I find Aldi is the best place to go for nuts. Most of the shopping was from Aldi, but there are a couple of items from other stores. This cheese is from Dunnes Store and a couple of others along the way too. But yeah, nuts, it's up to you how many nuts to include in your diet, but I will buy a bag of these cashews each week and slowly go through it during the week, and that's just high protein and it's a good budget friendly snack that's just beautiful and pure. And I've got lemon over here. When I just keep an eye when I find them on a good price at Aldi, for a good price at Aldi or at supermarket, I get lemons, and I'll usually just make a nice lemon mousse, whip up some cream, add a bit of stevia, add in some of my lemon zest and juice, maybe some cream cheese too, and it makes a lovely lemon mousse. It's just a budget friendly sweet treat. But yeah, lemons and strawberries are pretty much, you're limited with low carb keto to berries and lemons with fruit. I find getting frozen strawberries is super budget friendly, and these ones are from Aldi. And usually I just make my chia jam, which I've mentioned so many times in the past. My chia jam I usually make with my frozen strawberries, or I'll make a smoothie, or if any fresh berries are around that are budget friendly, I might make a nice mousse. Again, whisk up some cream, maybe put some cream cheese or mascarpone in, and it makes just a budget friendly sweet treat. And of course my chocolate, 85% chocolate from Aldi. This has even come down in price as well. A whole block is €1.45. I'll probably go through a block or two a week. I'll have maybe a row every day or so in hot chocolate, and it's just perfect. That's low carb keto friendly and budget friendly too. And as far as vegetables go, I just keep an eye on what's in season, what's on sale, and that is what I get. And spinach I've got over here. Either I'll make a salad. I love my tuna salad, so I'll have my spinach, I'll have tuna, which also super budget friendly, protein source tuna, and a bit of sour cream. Just these three ingredients make just a lovely meal that's low carb keto friendly and super budget friendly too. And broccoli, I might make my lovely broccoli casserole or broccoli salad. There's loads of keto friendly ways to enjoy broccoli, but yeah, super budget friendly, especially at the moment coming into winter. I found it to be really cheap, so I got broccoli over there. My other favorite vegetable are mushrooms. I'll often just fry up mushrooms to have with breakfast, to have with my fried eggs and cheesy fried eggs. I'll have mushrooms, so yeah, mushrooms, spinach, and broccoli tend to be my go-to that I've always got in my fridge, and they're super budget friendly, but really depends where you are, what's on sale, what's in season. That tends to be budget friendly. And oil as well, you can include whatever oil or butter in your diet you like for cooking. I find this coconut oil from Aldi is usually my go-to, so that's what I got when I was at Aldi, and I always keep the oil, but I've also got extra virgin olive oil I use for different purposes. But just again, depends what's budget friendly, depends what you like to include in your diet. I've also always got butter in my fridge, which is another budget budget friendly food that's keto friendly too, to include loads of ways in your diet. And wonderful eggs. These ones I always get from Dunnes store here in Ireland. So I've got eggs that, as I said, I have for breakfast most days. I'll make baked treats, but it's a super budget friendly ingredient to keep in your kitchen that you can either have it for breakfast or a breakfast for dinner instead. It's just absolutely brilliant. And last few favorites, I've got this Greek style natural yogurt, which is again from Aldi, but yeah, yogurt. The Greek natural plain yogurt tends to be low carb, keto friendly. I think this yogurt is about 70 cents at Aldi. It's super budget friendly. You can just add a bit of stevia to it. You can mix through some chia jam or some fresh strawberries or berries. You can even mix through cocoa powder or cacao powder, bit of chocolate, bit of stevia, lemon. There's lots of different options to make yogurt that is keto friendly. And almond milk, I always keep unsweetened almond milk. I'll keep it in the fridge, and I also get one that I can keep in the cupboard so I never have to worry about running out. But again, Aldi, it's budget friendly there. Unsweetened almond milk is just perfect to have in hot chocolates, to make smoothies with, for cooking. It's just wonderful. And finally, I love my whipping cream. This one's from Aldi. It was €2 for this huge carton full of whipping cream, and I'll mix some into hot chocolate to make it nice and creamy. Might whip some up to put on top of hot chocolate. Might add some whipped cream into a creamy dessert. Whip up some whipped cream, add in either berries or lemon or chocolate for a nice mousse. Also, I often make my cauliflower mac and cheese. I'll heat up some cauliflower in the frying pan, add on a bit of cream, maybe a bit of mascarpone or cream cheese and cheese too, and it just makes a lovely meal that's low carb, keto friendly and budget friendly too. But that is the video for today, with all of these budget friendly foods that are low carb, keto friendly. Remember to check down below for the link to the full shopping list, as well as all the recipes and meal ideas I've shared along the way too, so that you can cook and enjoy loads of low carb, keto, budget friendly meals. And be sure to leave a like, subscribe for more videos, comment to let me know your favorite go-to keto friendly foods that are budget friendly. So thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you again soon. Bye.